Okay, it's day 6 of the school shutdown. Just a little update here. We just went to buy rice at the Filipino grocery store, and they're out of rice, which doesn't make any sense for a Filipino place, right?
Panic buying.
People are panic buying. The coronavirus is still spreading, and up is down, left is right. It's all crazy. They just expanded the school closures to like 3 more weeks. So things are bad. The only like north-facing point on our compass is the car washes, which still are available to us. So here is our story of how the car wash works. Okay, so it's not letting me flip the camera around, so we're gonna have to take the picture like this.
Okay.
Once you start recording, it doesn't let you flip it around anymore. Isn't that weird? That would have been a sweet cut.
Now everybody will know we went panic buying.
Yeah, we got some canned goods that we otherwise would have overlooked, but
Some sardines.
peasant foods. We'll have to ration them, like 1 sardine per person per day.
How's Campbell doing?
Let's take a look. Let's check in with him, shall we? Okay, turn that off. What do you think, Campbell?
Nah.
What do you think of the coronavirus?
Yeah.
You can see yourself.
Yeah.
Can you see Campbell?
Yeah.
No, I can't give you the phone,
We
sweetie.
know your trick.
We know what you're gonna do. It's gonna wind up on the floor of the car wash again. People running over it and us recording that.
Daddy has to go walk miles and miles
To try to track it down.
Track it down.
No, thank you. Been there, done that.
car wash, and then we're gonna go out in the rain.
Yep. But not until we fully dry the car off.
Sounds about right.
And we gotta make sure to rinse. And we did it.